May I have your attention, please? Paging the party, finding a black bag in the Starbucks near E3. Please report to gate E8 to meet the owner. Paging the party, finding a black bag in the Starbucks near E3. Please report to gate E8 to meet the owner.
And I just did, and I'm like, I don't know.
Nice. She's freaking out. She's saying no.
Ben, do you want to grab one?
Sure.
Do you want to grab one?
This is where you gotta get over, I'm assuming.
So, right, next.
Two?
Those filthy cabs.
Filthy hands.
It's just, you know what the crazy thing is? The cab is like.
Took a cab last time, but I regretted it. Oh, by the time I got out,
Oh, good.
all the dog
Good.
hair and
Turn it
everything
up.
else.
Don't look at you know, Ben.
Good. Are you calling this thing or not?
I will, sure. You know when
These are the internal elevators at Las Vegas McCarran Airport. Don't know what set these are or anything, but they're across from the glass elevators. There are dovers outside, but inside they're innovated. So let's go to 0. And there are the glass elevators right across. We're gonna get off at 6. Yeah, we're gonna get off at 6. Let's get this side now. There it goes. That's it.